Let's see how to set different ringtones for different apps on Android.
Select the app. Tap and hold the app for 2 seconds. Click on the app info icon. Tap the notification. Tap Show Unused Categories. Tap Additional Settings in the app. Scroll down. Tap Ringtone. Tap Settings. Select your favorite ringtone. You can disable or enable glyph light if you want. Now select another app and set a different ringtone. Tap the call option. Tap sound. Select a different ringtone. Now you can hear different ringtones from different apps.